You can get new review gadget videos in this gadget channel. The videos that will be shown now in electronics gadget. There is another support gadget, fit, mirror and Genin's Titan drone. Please watch this video. Necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel. Number 1. Fidget more. By combining bright animation and animation step, Fidget more is designed to help people relive steps and by award of the moment through touch. Single and small, Fidget more is steps relive toys inspired by popular winds powered medicals support air work. The wheel design medicals movement being a scene of order, which can elements people stressful and annex hours elements and bring people relaxing and enjoyment. When focusing successful work or there are too much things floating in one's mind, everyone finger with sometime like click your pen, typing your foot and its ills. However, those actions may not always work out and make us feel relaxing and focus. Number 2. Geneinno Titan drone. This is the very first test with Geneinno Titan drone, underwater drone at lake. Today I am very at park testing it right on block checking. Not too far from wheel, I stepped lamper on some cap last year's Titan. The drying drone with a 4K camera, driving up to 492 feet and extension support. Everyone can explore the ocean with possibility. Since it comes with practice having and create high-low angle 60-inch shot for the possibility underwater film. I discuss the number hours use of hot and underwater drone like the Titan can be used for. I am looking forward to getting the robot claim and hope successful fielding some fishing layers of a bottom of the lake along with other test hours on the bottom. I forget to mount that. Getting also plan on relaxing snow for the Titan underwater drone with the exist inflation